Hi, once again, myself Nakul Singh. Welcome you to all on my YouTube channel. And my video is oriented towards concise study material and appropriate word limits in perspective of BPSC, UPSC mains answer writing program. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos as you can. And as usual, I am starting my videos with today motivational quotes. हौसले की तरकस में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रखना। हौसले की तरकस में कोशिश की वो तीर जिंदा रखना। हार जाओ ज़िंदगी में मगर जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखना। माय डियर्स, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस लाइन्स। हार जाओ ज़िंदगी में मगर जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखना। टुडे आई विल कवर माय टॉपिक्स फर्स्ट कर्नाटिक वार, which time period is from 1746 to 1748 AD, and it is also called Anglo-French struggle. We will cover these topics in following formats, and firstly we will cover in part first intro parts, second its background, third immediate cause, fourth result, fifth treaty, and last is its conclusion. And thus we will complete this chapter. Now let's start to the topics. First Carnatic War. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos so that I can get motivated from you all and trying to improve myself and uploading more videos for you for betterments. And let's start. My today topic is First Carnatic War, which was held from the time period 1746 to 1748 AD. As we know, it is also called Anglo-French struggle. The First Carnatic War is also known as the Anglo-French struggle because, as we will cover this background parts, till the end of 17th century, British succeeded Portuguese and Dutch in trades. The competition between British and French reached its peak. In South, Madras became an important trading center for British, and Pondicherry became an important trading center for French. So it is amply clear that Madras became an important trading center for British, and Pondicherry became an important trading center for French. All these territories comes under Nawab of Carnatic region, and that time the capital of Carnatic region is Arcot. Please remember, Arcot is the capital of Carnatic region where Nawabs control over that. In 18th century, French and English got opportunity to interfere in internal political conflict between Carnatic and Hyderabad. Due to this, three Carnatic War were fought between these two European powers from 1744 to 1763. This is the time span in which three Carnatic War fought, and thus it was the plan of Dupleix. Dupleix was a French governor, and it was the plan of the Dupleix to capture the power by interfering in local political conflicts. Regions. Now we will cover the region part of the Carnatic War. In 1740, that means 1740 AD, the political situation in South India was uncertain and confused. That time in 1740 AD, The political situation in South India was uncertain and confused. Nizam Asaf Jha of Hyderabad. Nizam of Hyderabad, that time the Nizam of Hyderabad is Asaf Jha, was old and fully engaged in battling against the Marathas in the western Deccan. That time the Nawab of Hyderabad was Nizam Asaf Jha, and which was old, as well as he involved himself to battling against the Marathas in the western Deccan part of that territories. And thus the decline of Hyderabad was the signal for the end of Muslim expansionism, and the English adventurers got their plan ready. That means due to the declination of the Hyderabad, it was the one type of a signal for the end of the Muslim expansionism, and the English adventurers got their opportunity to execute their plans. And in to utilize this opportunity, the first Carnatic War was an extension of the Anglo-French War in Europe, which was caused by the Austrian War of Succession. Please be concentrate that the Carnatic War was an extension of the Anglo-French War in Europe, which was caused by the Austrian War of the Succession. And in the Europe there is a war for the succession in the Austria, and the conflict originated in the Europe, also reflecting in the relation between the Anglo and the French in the Indian territories. And the Austrian War of the Succession in Europe held from 1740 to 1748 between England and France. The succession of Austria in Europe held from 1740 to 48, and between England and the France. And the what was the issue for the Austrian War of Succession? Please keep in mind, the main issue was the Maria Theresa succession. In this time there was a Habsburg monarchy in the Austria between the time period of from 1740. In the year of the 1740, there is a burning issues regarding the Maria Theresa succession. In this time there was a Habsburg monarchy, and the Maria Theresa was the daughter of the Charles IV, and the pretext for the war was Maria Theresa right to inherit her inheritance from for Charles IV crowns. Maria was opposed by the French opposed Maria because due to the Salic law. That time Salic law prevalent in that type of society, and this law says that a female cannot be a king. In the Salic law, female cannot be a king, and the Salic law excluded women from the inheritance. And Maria was opposed by the French, and but supported by the British. British support the Maria Theresa, and the French opposed the Maria Theresa due to the Salic law prevalent in the society in the Europe. And the immediate cause of the war was the death in the 1740 of Emperor Charles. That times in the year of the 1740, Emperor Charles was died, and the inheritance of the Habsburg monarchy has be in conflict mode, and this is the main issue, the starting of the war for the succession of the Austria inheritance. Please keep in mind. Now we will cover the important events in that particular Carnatic War regions. Important events covering up the first point in 1745, British Navy. That time in the year of the 1745, British Navy seized a French ship. British Navy has captured the French ship, and due to this act, French governor Dupleix, that time the French governor was Dupleix, and he retaliated by seizing Madras in 1746, and the Dupleix seized the Madras in 1746 from the British. So British called for help from Anwaruddin. So that's why British called for help from Anwaruddin. Now, who was Anwaruddin? Anwaruddin was the Nawab of the Carnatic, and he tried to get back Madras. In 1748 AD, Battle of Saint Thome, there is a battle, and that name is the Battle of Saint Thome, fought between French and Anwaruddin, and Anwaruddin supported by the British, and army of the French under the Captain Paradis. There was a captain of France, and that captain name was Captain Paradis, having 930 soldiers. That French captain having 930 soldiers defeated Nawab Anwaruddin army under Mahfuz Khan, and which having a 10,000 soldiers. And there was a Nawab Khan army, and whose commander in chief is Mahfuz Khan, and which having a 10,000 soldiers, but he was defeated by the French captain's Paradis. We have only a few soldiers, as such as 930 soldiers only, and the French army defeated the Nawab armies under Mahfuz Khan. And finally, with the end of the war in Europe in 1748, and finally what happens, and there in the year of the 1748 AD, the end of the war in the Europe, war has ended, and the consequently war in the India, subsequently war in India also ended, and thus this war become as a indecisive war. There is no any final decision has been made, and thus the result of this war is indecisive war. And what is the treaty signed by this war? And there is a treaty, and that name is Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty. There is a treaty, and that name is Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty in 1748 for Austria War of Succession. And finally, we conclude this topic, and thus the French proved to be a more powerful than the British. That time, the French having a great potential, great weapons, and the great fighting preparedness with respect to the British, and thus the French proved to be a more powerful than the British, and so thus Carnatic War ended. And now this chapter has covered up. Please note the important topics, important dates, important names, and this Carnatic War topic is amply clear for your understanding. Please, when you are not able to understand this topic, you are not able to clarify, please ask your doubts in the comments, and I will must reply to your questions. And please share, subscribe, and like my videos, and hope you will must this material must helpful to you, and always I am there for resolving your doubts, resolving your any queries. And I welcome you to all once again on my the channels, and please keep it up on watching my videos regularly, and I'm trying to update it my videos regularly. So now the second chapter and the next classes I will chapter second Carnatic War, which was fought from 1749 to 1754. and ये रहा आज हमारा कर्नाटक वार का from their backgrounds, intro parts, backgrounds parts, their regions, their results, their treaty, their conclusion, and thus the chapter has been completed. And we need not want to long videos, so that you can cover up your topics within a short span of time, limit words and the limit times. Thank you for watching my videos. Thanks a lot for you.